Yeah, Gaza Nation. I want to think about the Air Force One video. Cleany, mirrors cloth. You know what I mean? Here we are going right about now. The video shot because whosoever do the video a genius, and who failed to come up with the strategy of how the video done a genius, because here we are going. Internationally them a slap off. You see it clear, you see what I say? No gimmicks thing not there about it. Yeah man. So the Air Force One video shot clean. Everybody knows so the shot, the song blast way, shell way, hotter than we held there. Long time. But here we are going. And next thing we see are going. We see the man them still in a bounty killer social media page and a target the man full time, but them can't manage killer. That's what I say. Killer too rough and tough for them. No gimmicks thing not about it. That's what I deal with. Remember I say killer old school, you know. That's what I say. Say I learn from the best, you know. That's what I deal with. Your Gaza Nation and step on it in the early morning, yeah. About some minutes to 7, which is like 6, probably 6:28. You know what I mean? Yeah. For real. Automatic service, so them door are open. You know what I mean? I drove shit in the on it. Now I reach on it very early. Because I forget half an hour for myself to sip up some coffee and blaze up. Watch how I go on now, Gaza Nation. Because I have to check my temperature before I can pass, yes, sir. All over my work, yes, sir. You see me? Everybody rules. Can't identify the general. Yeah, sir. Alright. I know exactly where I'm going. Could take off the peak. Still a play with me. Aaron, what the hell are going on with this shit?
It's not focusing on you. I can see the square here. It's not doing it.
Full black. Stop all black. Now. See. Yeah, what going on now, Aaron? I don't have time for this one.
Here, what if I go first? It might work.
I go up the road to buy some coffee.
You want to buy coffee?
Yeah, man, get some coffee and forward back.
Oh, okay.
Me hear it. Me hear it, old boy. Yeah, man. For real. So, your Gaza Nation, the Air Force video slap way, hotter than hell, clean like whistle. Yo, Alkodon and them brother them slap it way for 6. You see what I deal with Gaza Nation? No joke thing that they about it. You know what I mean? Yeah man, video well excellent. You hear all the hear some boy a chat and I run up them mouth and I go on. Yeah, Gaza Nation, yeah man, at the same building them working, you know what I mean? Hear me I say, all you hear some boy there, I run up them mouth, Gaza Nation, and I chat about this and that. Yo, all them are trying to paint a bad look on the world boss. The world boss had the master of ceremony. Man drop all album. What them say a 14 track. Well, you probably have to go subscribe some of them track the old type because some track with it already done already. But man drop that and post up that on YouTube and say them gone #1. And some local people are run up them out. A 3 single vybz kartel drop and take over about the #1 position rightfully, actually, naturally and fracturally. No gimmicks thing not there about it. You know what I mean? I not laugh with it. No games thing not there. You see me? A real way I represent. I not represent no lollipop way. Eh? And then I see some local man but them are dive in a killer inbox and DM and comment section and I go like say them can take on the general. Remember the general say, remember the man make you know say, you know. Nothing no change with the general of me same one, you know. With a million problem and a bitch ain't one, you know. But bumbo clock here, man. Nothing no change from the general. Bullet, 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 connect! One, two, no.
Hey, what's up?
Alright. Respect. Respect. Bless. Oh, yo. Here goes a nation. I'm going to play same way. Although all of them brother you praise. That's what I say about here walk go on. Yeah man, them run up on the killer man and the killer have to empty the clip money. That's what I say. I don't even no joke thing. Them can't manage a killer in enough form whatsoever. Some boy a chat up their mouth and a go like them can size up with the man. Yes, when the man start kino billboard it, boy a ball a say him chat too much. But man as people start saying no, him a go like a local boy. You see what I say? All because them see the milestone how far
Thank you.
them artists have to go. If them ever think them can't talk about no matchup thing where no artist business concern. Them see said out of them league as a nation. Guess what the people them start say? Killer go like a little pitney and killer go like a girl and them shit there. Or you go like a girl when you show your blood clot achievement. Or you go like a girl when you show your achievement and show people the truth. Oh, them not like it. I guess, you know what I mean? I think, you know what I mean? Maybe, you know what I mean? Like, for real. Them not like it. Them can't withstand it. So, all them for like it then start, and where them I go put against that? Me no know a blood clot. Me no know. You see what I say? Because of the same thing, them want to try with the world boss. Them know them not in the man class, no time at all whatsoever. That's what I deal with. Because we're not in no chattings, you know. That's what I deal with. The material evidence, them dead for sure. And boy, know that. That's what I say. The gimmicks thing that dead about it. Boy, know that. Say, yo, you can't talk to them on there. Periodly. I can't artist business you not deal with. That's what I deal with. You know have what it takes, my brother. That's what I say. Yeah. Cause it takes multiple. You see me? Effort. You see what I say? And no joke thing. And it take a thing what them call name consistency. You see what I deal with? A lot. Over how much decades them brother they are run it off. The brother now make you know him now have to sing a song for art. I'm my general, legendary artist. Me never tell you that already, man. Saying a music a 3 type of man on have. You have a runner up, You have a runner up. Yeah. You have journeyman. And you have a legend. I'm going to tell you already, say legend born, legend no made, my brother. No gimmicks thing, no dead about it. You see what I say? What? You see what I deal with? No gimmicks thing, no dead God's a nation about it. So shit still a fuck up. You think me on a plane thing? You think me on a stand up yourself?
I was thinking about applying for the USDA one, but it's like...
I couldn't sick in on the head, man. I know me, man. No, take up myself, man. I don't like where I break no rules. Maybe bend them a little. You know what I mean?
I don't know.
Yo.
I'll let you know when I...
Yeah, deal it.
How you doing, Mr. Garfield?
Great, my friend. What about you?
All right. You look very happy today. Very jumpy.
Why you say that? No,
I say what I see, you know.
Okay, my friend. Now slap where I think for Gaza nation, you know what I mean?
10-star general.
Oh, yeah. You see what I say? You know what thing go already. Yeah. So, you see, when see the way how the whole video orchestrate Gaza Nation, Air Force One slap way. Now gimmicks thing not dead about it. It's shell way. Hotter than where LA. Now gimmicks thing not dead about it. That's what I say. And as I said to you, the world boss used 3 single and take over #1 trending after all these long songs where some people drop and all where hear men and people in a chatbot and I go like say them want to size up themselves. You see what I say? Yeah. Me do I'm going to better video on that, but here what go on. Wait till look more when I get to him like Jerome. Yeah man, Gaza Nation them can't test it. You know we're stylistic. You know what I mean? No joke thing not that about it. You know what I mean? And we say stylistic. You see what I'm doing? Yeah. A Gaza we say a lollipop thing. Gaza where they ain't no other way. 10 star general. Oh.